The best USB flash drive of 2022. The primary factor you have to keep in mind when shopping for a flash drive, also known as a thumb drive, is how much storage you'll need. Depending on the brand you buy and how powerful it is, flash drives can get pricey. Generally, it's better to go for a higher capacity flash drive, so that you don't fill it up and need a replacement as quickly. Considering read and write speeds are also key to a good flash drive. If you'll be handling large files on a regular basis, you'll want to explore models that have at least 100 megabits per second read speeds. Most flash drives on the market today come with 150 megabits per second read speeds and write speeds that hover around 75–100 megabits per second. Some cheaper flash drives may not hit those speeds, so be sure to check. Security is also an important factor. Some may value having an extra layer of privacy if the files they store on the drive are particularly sensitive, while others might be okay with something less secure that remains in their possession constantly. Finding a flash drive with good encryption and smart features like a fingerprint reader is ideal for any security-centric buyer. In our list, we've found the best options that strike an excellent balance between capacity, speed, and price, as well as offering extra features like protecting your data from the elements and prying eyes. Our pick for the best flash drive for most people is Samsung's Fit Plus. Featuring an incredibly compact design, this drive offers up to 256 gigabytes of storage and USB 3.1 speeds of 400 megabits per second. What's more, the drive is reasonably priced, with the 128 gigabytes model costing just $23. The Fit Plus is waterproof for up to 72 hours in seawater, as well as shockproof at up to 1,500 gravitational acceleration. It's also magnet-proof and X-ray proof. Oddly, Samsung only grants the larger capacity 128 gigabytes and 256 gigabytes models faster storage, whereas smaller variants will be stuck with speeds that sit well below 400 megabits per second. In addition, this drive isn't ideal for those striving to switch all of the devices to USB-C, since this drive sticks with a standard USB-A port. If you need a well-rounded flash drive with good durability and fast performance, the Fit Plus is a great choice. The Sandisk Ultra Flare is a great option if you're shopping for a flash drive on a budget. Available with up to 512 gigabytes of storage, the Ultra Flare offers lower prices across the board than most of the competition, with the 128 gigabytes option priced at under $16. For the money, you get a drive that offers a design instantly familiar to anyone. It features a USB 3.0 as well as compatibility with the company's Secure Access software, letting you lock it with a password. Plus, it's backward compatible with USB 2.0 ports, with no added external protection from water or shock. This flash drive won't be for those who may have gadget-centric accidents more often than not. And while read speeds remain a terrific 150 megabits per second, write speeds are an abysmal 4 megabits per second. If you're dealing with big files, you'll want to up your budget a bit. If you can live with these caveats, the Ultra Flare offers a solid mix of smart features and simplicity that many will appreciate. If you just need a basic flash drive and don't mind slower speeds, Sandisk's Ultra Flare flash drive is a solid option. If you're looking for a flash drive that connects over USB-C, check out Sandisk's Ultra Dual Drive Go. Not only does it offer a USB-C connector, but it also comes with a secondary USB-A connector in case you ever need to connect it to a device with older ports. The Ultra Dual Drive Go offers USB 3.1 speeds, which translates to 150 megabits per second read and around 35–40 megabits per second write speeds. The drive is compatible with Sandisk's Memory Zone app, available for Android, to automatically back up important data when connected to your device. And you can get as much as 512 gigabytes of storage if you need it. Notably, there's no extra external protection against water, shock, or magnets. You also don't get any additional layers of security, so you'll want to ensure you don't lose it. All in all, the Dual Drive Go is a respectively versatile flash drive that should suffice for anyone who strives to use as many USB-C devices as possible, with both USB-C and USB-A connections. The Ultra Dual Drive Go is a great flash drive for anyone making the transition to USB-C and still needs something reliable. If you need a flash drive that can manage a ton of data, You'll want to check out the Kingston Data Traveler Max. This USB-C flash drive is equipped with up to 1 terabyte of storage. Featuring USB 3.2 Gen 2 performance for up to 1000 megabits per second read and 900 megabits per second write speeds. It's ideal for those who may have to regularly move big files like video projects around. It's also great if you'd rather have something compact like a flash drive over an external solid-state drive. Without any water resistance or additional security features. The Kingston Data Traveler Max might not be for everyone. The storage also comes at a high price, costing quite a bit more than the other options on our list. But if what you're looking for is a flash drive with a lot of storage space that can make managing big files a breeze, it's certainly worth considering. With up to 1 terabyte of storage, 1000 megabits per second read speeds, and 900 megabits per second write speeds, the Kingston Data Traveler Max is perfect for anyone who needs a lot of storage on the go. Looking for something rugged that can handle an adventurous lifestyle? Check out the Corsair Flash Survivor Stealth. It offers a strong anodized aircraft-grade aluminum enclosure that's waterproof up to 200 meters. It's also vibration and impact resistant thanks to a molded shock damping collar. In terms of specs, Corsair uses a traditional USB 3.0 connector that offers good read and write speeds of 150 megabits per second and 90 megabits per second, respectively. It can be configured with up to 256 gigabytes of storage. As well, if you want extra security, you won't find it here as there's no password protection or other types of encryption. It can survive the elements, but you'll want to make sure not to lose this flash drive if you have sensitive documents on it. Overall, the Flash Survivor Stealth is ideal for anyone who might value extra durability given their lifestyle. If you need a flash drive you can take on a rigorous adventure without worrying about external damage, Corsair's Survivor Stealth is a great choice. If security is a priority for you, you'll want to check out Lex's Jumpdrive Fingerprint F35. The flash drive ships with an embedded fingerprint reader that, once set up, encrypts any data you have on it using 256-bit AES encryption. You can register up to 10 fingerprints, and unlocking your drive with your print takes less than 1 second. The Jumpdrive uses USB 3.0 with up to 300 megabits per second read speeds, while write speeds are slower, though Lexar doesn't state what they are. Unfortunately, the software required to set up the fingerprint reader only works with Windows, so Mac and Linux users will only be able to use it as a standard flash drive. Lexar says it tests each drive for durability on its store page, but the company doesn't provide any further details. Still, if you're a Windows user who needs a secure flash drive that's secure and easy to use, the Jumpdrive is an excellent choice. The Jumpdrive Fingerprint F35 features a fingerprint scanner that adds advanced encryption to your sensitive data, which makes it perfect for those who need an extra layer of privacy. Text source, howtogeek.com.